Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the element and its atomic number. That number equals the proton count. Once done, check whether an isotope notation or a neutron count is listed. If you have neutrons, you will add them to protons. Make sure to use the periodic table when the atomic number is missing. Read the element symbol, find Z, then proceed to sum. This establishes the core data so you can calculate the mass number reliably. You now perform the actual calculation. Mass number equals protons plus neutrons. If you have isotope notation like 14C, read that leading number as a directly, no addition needed. When given atomic mass, decimal, remember it is an average and not the integer mass number, so round only when context allows. Once calculated, verify by cross-checking isotope tables or nuclear charts. This confirms your value, matches known isotopes, and avoids simple arithmetic mistakes. You finish by recording the mass number clearly with the element symbol so others can read it. Once done, compare your result to an isotope chart or reliable database if precision is required. This catches unusual or unstable isotopes. If numbers don't match, recheck proton Z and neutron, N counts, and ensure you did not confuse atomic mass with mass number. A quick audit of inputs resolves most errors and keeps your final of value trustworthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.